Yeah. So is my screen is visible to everyone? Please confirm me once, guys, so I can continue.
Yes, visible, sir.
Okay, fine. So you open any online JavaScript compiler or you can use JS Fiddle. So what is happen when you are using JS Fiddle? Because I always put in the material as JS Fiddle because so whatever I write here, if I sign in with my account, if I just sign in, right, then whenever I create some code snippet so that I can share with you. See, if I can write JavaScript here. For example, let name equal to so, and I will console it using console.log. So I will zoom it out if someone is not able to properly see that. Okay, name. I will just run it. So it will give the console here. So it will give the console here. So that's how if I want to save, right, save. So I will get a link. If I share in the current chat, right, you can able to open that particular link. So that is the link I am sharing to you all in the material. The same way I will put the link somewhere. Again, it will open the same thing what I written. So that is the importance of JS Fiddle. That is why I am using, for example. Okay, and you can expand this. So you want JavaScript, right? So you can expand that. Okay, right. Next one. So I want to reverse a string. For example, input is input is hello world, but I want to get as output equal to DLROW again OLLEH. I want to print hello world. First is reverse a string, reverse a whole string. You got it right. So you already done for loops, right? So now write a function reverse. So it will take an input which is a string. So right, let it name anything str, right? So it will take an input and it will return something, right? That will be anything. Put return statement so that you know confusion. So now you want to reverse that string. Before reversing, you want to store the reversal string, right? You will create a result variable and it will store as empty as of now. Then you want to reverse it and store it, right? For that, what you want to do, you want to loop it reverse, right? You want to loop it reverse. So you can take the for loop for let I equal to str dot let I equal to str dot length minus 1 because if you're accessing that definitely that index will be length minus 1 you already know. Then I greater than or equal to 0 because till 0 we have indexes and I plus plus. This is the for loop you already know. Now what you do, result plus equal to str of I. That's it. So you are reversing from backside means you are looping from backside, and every time since you are looping from backside, first you will get D. Next you need to add L so that you are plusing up, right? You have the result as empty first. First it is added with D, second it is added with L, next R, right? Next O, next W, next space, next O, L, L, E, H. That is how it will get it. Now you will return result, right? Now give tab space the to the functions or members which are there inside the function so that you can see clearly, right? So this is the function, and you want to call that function using console. You can directly reverse of what is the input string. I will give this one. You can directly give reverse of this one. So that will be reverse. And since it is returning the value, you want to catch it. So catch it in some let result equal to, you can catch it. Now you can print it. So unexpected token. It is saying unexpected token. Somewhere there is an error. Let's see. Uh, what is the string dot length? str dot length minus one. It's just length, right? Clear function. Caret of I. Okay, let it be. I will just put an online script. Let's run it here. It's happening. Okay, let it be. We'll open VS Code and let's see what will happen. That's done. That's done. Let's script type and let's see what will happen. Okay. We did one thing. Since we are doing a reverse loop, right? So we need to do I minus minus. Otherwise, it will go to infinite loop. So that is the mistake. So now it will execute. So if we are doing reverse, right? So if you are increasing always, it will not become 0. Give I minus minus, then the program will run. Let it load. Oh, everything got stuck actually today. So that is reverse. So I will just stop all this. That is the mistake. So we need to continue from here onwards. So you got the answer. So what we did here, so we just want to reverse the string. So we taken from the last. So what is the string dot length? Length of the string from -1 means index starts with -1, right? Because index starts with 0 to n minus 1. So that's why we taken as n minus 1 as length. So that will be length minus 1. And we are decrementing that whenever the condition is satisfied. And we are printing the character at string. We already know there is a method called char at character of index. So you're getting that. So that is how we're reversing the string. Now I want you to reverse only words. So hello will be reversed and world will be reversed. How it will be OLLEH. Here also DLROW. I want to reverse only words. So there how you can do, I will create like reverse words. So what I need to do, I want to split the words first and I want to reverse each and every word and I want to add it. How I can do, I can do like I create a words variable. Words equal to str dot split by space so that I can split by space so that I can get the words. You got it right? str dot split. So I got words array. You got it right? Now I will create another variable which is result. So now for words I want to loop it because each and every word I want to definitely reverse it, right? So now I will create a for loop. For let I equal to 0, I less than words dot length minus 1 I plus plus. So I will take the current one. So let word equal to words dot words of I means since it's an array, right? We can directly access using index using square braces. You already know. So now what I will do? Word equal to word dot split. Again, the word which is there. For example, here it is hello, right? I will split by just double quotes or single quotes. So it will split each and every character as an array. So here I have dot reverse. Dot again I will join by empty. So it will get the value like this OLLEH. So this is how you can do using inbuilt method. If you don't want that, right? Again you want to loop it. Word dot split dot for each. Again you can do like this. Using for each again you will store that particular word into some reversed equal to you can store like this. So I will add for reversed. So uh, reversed equal to x plus reversed. So we are adding before means if it is hello is coming, right? H is coming. So first one is H, right? First I will add reversed equal to H plus reversed. So second time E comes. So now in reversed we have H, right? Again where we add E before H means EH will come. Again we will get L. Again, we'll add before. So that's how we can reverse each word. So that finally we will add to result. Result plus equal to reversed. Since we are having space, right? We add space also. Finally, we will return result. So this is one way directly we can do, or this we can do. So we have the function reverse word. We need to change that. So we are doing length. So if you are making less than length, that is fine. It will take length minus 1. If you are putting length minus 1, then you need to put less than or equal to. You got it right. Previously we did. See, this is how we can do reversing of the words in a string. This is also one thing. I will put in JS fiddle and I will create, go to here, your fiddles, create your fiddles. I can create a new fiddle here. So I will create a new fiddle and copy paste the code and I will do it. So this one, if I save it so that I can share with you all using this link. So that's how we can share it. This reversing the word and reversing the string, have you understand everyone how we did this? If someone don't understand, tell me, I will explain you again. So basically, reversing the string, we're just reversing the whole string. We're just looping reversely, that's it, and adding to some result variable. Reversing the words in the string, what we will do? We will just split each and every word. Each and every word we will loop. Again, each and every word we will reverse and add it to the result. That's it. So this is the another one which we are reversing the whole words in a string. Have you understand everyone this one? You need to practice this one also. So the next one is check palindrome. Palindrome string means, for example, by default we have A, B, 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 A. A, B, B, A. If you give palindrome A, B, C, C, B, A, A, B, C, B, S, A, G, A, S. So this is also palindrome. S, A, G, A, B. So among these, which are palindrome? So basically, palindrome strings are nothing but if you reverse it, the equal and opposite character will be equal to both. Means A, B, 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 A, if you reverse, right, it will get A, B, B, A only. A, B, C, C, B, A. If you reverse it, it will get the same. A, B, C, B. If you reverse it, B, C, B, A, you will get B, C, B, A. So this is wrong. This is wrong. It is not a palindrome string. If you give S, A, G, A, S, it will get the same. It is palindrome. If you reverse S, A, G, A, B, G, A, B, A, G, A, S, this is also wrong. This one is also wrong. So a palindrome string is a string. If you reverse it, it will be identical to the original string. So that will be the palindrome string. You got it right. So now you create a function palindrome str. You will get input as an str. So you want to check that directly. You can do let original store original string into something. Original equal to str. I stored into original string. Now I want to modify it, right? Let I will create a result. Result equal to something. I want to reverse it, right? So simply I will use for loop. For let I equal to str dot length minus 1 I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. I will do result plus equal to str. So I just reversed it. If I will check if condition. If original equal to result, then I will say return true. Else return false. You got it right. I'll put console log off and we'll call this palindrome string. ABPA. Let's see whether it is false. Original equal. Let's debug this. If you want to debug this, you can directly write in file and let's see. I'll open this coding, right? Go to here and inspect it. Go to sources again and open this file. I want to open this coding.html. So put the debugger here and again refresh it. So we got ABBA. So we have original ABBA and we have str.length minus 1. Okay. So here what you are doing a mistake. You are just appending the whole str. Instead of that dot char at index. So sometimes you will do mistake that you need to rectify. Every time you are appending str, that is wrong, right? You want to get the character at particular index. Now you will get the positive result. So that is the power of debugging. If you did wrong, right, you can easily understand. Even by seeing the code itself, sometimes you can't understand, but you need to try to understand. Now it is true. If I disrupt this string as in between DC, it is false, right? So this is how you will get palindrome string, whether it is true or false. This code also I put in chart. Anyway, I will give material also so that you can easily understand. This one you understand, guys? This question.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yeah, so now I will just check the next one. So I will check which one. What is the next question? So count characters or count vowels. So now I will see you have an input like A, B, C, D, A, B, like this. A, E, I, O, U. So you have these many characters, right? And you want to count those. Simple. Count chars. Create a count char strings and str, and you will create a map. Let count chars equal to empty object. So if we put empty, because we don't know which character might come, we need to store it dynamically. This is an object. In the next concept, I will explain about objects. But as of now, count chars will have key value pairs like this: A 2 times, B 3 times, C 4 times. This is how it will store, because dynamically we will get it, because A comes 2 3 times, so it will print it as 3 times. So this is how we need to maintain that. So that's why we create an object. Dynamically we creating key A, B, C, etc. How many times it is getting, we need to update that every time, right? So this is what we need to do. So we'll just loop it. Str dot, we can directly do for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, I plus plus. Now first I will check if count chars off, count chars off. What I need to do? Str dot char at of I means first you got A. For example, first you got A. So we check whether count chars having the key A. If you put like this, it might check like this. If it is having key VA, then it will check. If it is not having that, we'll put not symbol. If you are not having that, right, then we will store that. So if you are not having that, then I will store it into the same index of I equal to 1. If it is having that, means it will be else equal to plus 1. Means if it is having that, means we got second time. Means second time means plus 1. That's it. Equal to value of this plus 1. That's it. So again, finally, what you need to do? You need to return that. Return count chars. So this one I will debug you so that you can easily understand. Go to console.log. I want to count these characters. You will get the map of that. You already know. So now let's see and debug this. Okay. So now we'll put count char so that you can easily understand what is happening there. See, we got A, B, C, S, A, I, U, Y. So now go to the next step. So we'll have the 0 length. So we'll see, you just copy this line and paste in the console so that you can also get that result. See, it is undefined, means we don't have that value, right? So we'll go inside that and we'll store that. See, count of characters here, it is empty. Now we'll put 1. So here A equal to 1. Now we'll go to next. So this is the important interview question. You will get this definitely. Definitely you will get this in interview. If someone asks you, this will be also asked. Again, now it will go to same if because B is not there. Again, C is not there. It is added, right? Here you can see that differences. Okay. Again, go to next. So S is not there. It is added. I is not there. It is added. Again, what is that? U is not there. It is added. Again, I is there. So it will go to else condition and we will get the I value and it will add to that. So I is 2 now. So that is how it will be calculated. I will just terminate this loop and come here. At the end of the loop, you will get count of characters, how many times it's repeated. So that is how we will get these. Everyone, have you understand this? You got it right, guys? Now in the same question, I want to count the vowels. You got it right. So let's see. I will put let VOWELS count equal to 0. And I will take vowels. Vowels equal to A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels, right? Whenever we got character, right? So we will just check. If vowels dot includes, array dot includes, we already know, right? So we'll include that. If vowels dot includes of character of I, then I will see vowels count plus plus. So finally we got vowels count also here. So in along with this, we will return. So we'll send like this as key value pairs. Count, vowels count. We can also send object like this. See, vowels count is 10, count of characters is this. We can send like this, object key value using colon. If you are assigning equal to means that is directly for a variable. If you are assigning, if it is something inside the braces is that is colon you want to use for value. So that is how we got 10 vowels. maybe we got 10 repeated vowels, right? There will be no 10 vowels. There are 5 vowels only, but it is repeated, right? So that is how it will be. Or we can make that one also. Let vowels array. Vowels array. We'll push it. So we'll put vowels array dot push char at. We can push that vowels also. So finally we can send the vowels array also. Because A, E, I. So we got 3 times, 4 times, right? So we can eliminate the duplicates, right? We can get that. This is one. The next one, I want to eliminate the duplicates. You got it, right? So till this point, have you clear, guys? Eliminate duplicates now. I want to eliminate duplicates because we have duplicates A 2 times, 4 times, 5 times. I want to eliminate duplicates. Now input equal to, or make it like this, A, B, B, A, B, C, A, B, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. So this is the input string. I want to get this input string as output equal to, I want to eliminate duplicates. So A will comes only, B will comes only once. All this will be eliminated. C will comes only once. All this will be eliminated. D will comes only once. F will come only once. J will come. S, I, H, K. So this is the string I want. I want to eliminate duplicates. So let's write a function for this. Eliminate dupes. We'll get str. We need to eliminate the duplicates. That's it, right? So we will eliminate. So first what we will do, we'll create an array, unique array. Okay, unique array. It is an empty. We will do coding for that. And we'll do for loop. Let I equal to 0. Let I equal to 0. I less than str dot len. I plus plus. So now I will put into unique array. If it is not there, if it is there, I will not put. You got it right. So if unique dot includes of str dot char at I of char at of I. If it is not includes, then only I will put into unique array. Otherwise, I will not put. I will not push it. That's it. That is completed. You can return. You can return unique array. And I don't want array, but I want string, right? We will do unique array dot join by empty space. So it will get it. We have array join method, right? So we'll use that like split method. So we got this. So which I want, this is what I expected so that you will get it. See, we got it right. So how we got this? Again, I will just debug it and I will show you so that you can easily understand. Again, I will just copy it. Even though if you want to debug it directly, put a debugger somewhere, debugger, and copy it. Go to inspect the page. Directly you paste in the console also, that is fine. This is also one of the technique. Because console is nothing but JavaScript console. You just paste it and enter. So it will automatically take the debugger if because you already have the debugger. This is also one of the way you can debug in the browser. You want to play with the browser. So go inside. So first one anyway it is not having a, will push that. Second time B comes, anyway B is also not there, will push that. Third time again B comes, it is there, so will not do that operation. Again A comes, so will not do that operation. Again B comes, so will not do the operation. Now C comes, we will do the operation. So we'll do those many times. And whenever that is completed, we'll do join that array by empty so that we will get that. We just print it, right? So this is how we will get eliminate the duplicates in a string. You got it right? How we made that. And the next one, till this point, is it clear, guys? How we are performing coding? So the basic thing is we just need to understand how we can do it using the existing like logics or existing way of doing the code, existing loops or conditions, like getting the character from the particular index and adding that to array. So these all operations, if you know right, then that is fine, so that you can easily understand and do the code. Are you clear, guys, till this point? Can anyone confirm? Hello?
Clear, sir.
Okay, next one is I want to check the longest word in the sentence. See, let's see. Uh, this is sunny day. Have a little bit rain. So what is the longest word here? You already know little is the longest word because it is having 6 characters. Not any other word is having those characters. Now check this. So longest word. I will take the string. Since I want each and every word, right? We will split it by empty space. You already know. So we'll make it str dot split by empty space so that we'll get the words. And we'll create another variable which is longest equal to words of 0 because we don't know, because first we want to take the length as first one. If it is greater than the next one or next one is greater than this will be replaced with this, right? Anyway, now just see words of 0 dot length. So we'll get the first word's length. If it is less than the next one, right, it will be replaced anyway in for loop in our condition. We'll create let I equal to 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus. Now if longest less than, definitely right, if it is less than the next one then only we can replace, otherwise we can't. Less than words of high dot length, then only we will replace longest equal to words of high dot length, or this is the longest. Let will store is longest word also here, longest word equal to words of 0 as of now. The same way, if it is less than that, then we will put longest as word of length and longest word as the current word, right? So this is how we can store. That's it. Now finally, we'll return longest word, right? We want only longest word, not longest length. We'll just create a longest length in order to check that. That's it, not more than that. So we'll just give the same. We should get little, right? We got little. Have you got it right? This one, I will just debug this one also so that you can easily understand this. While debugging only, you can easily understand if you don't something really understand. So we got this is sunny day, have a little bit rain in Bangalore. In Bangalore, I didn't give anyway. Little might come. See, what is the length for? Which is this? If little is greater than that in the next upcoming iterations, it will replace that. So first word is longest word is this. Now we will just check. So this, so it is failed. So it will not execute. Is sunny. This will success because sunny is greater than the current one. See now longest is for words dot length, which is sunny now. Sunny is 5 means that is greater than that. Now it is changed. See, longest is 5 now. Longest word is Sunny. Again, when it will comes to little, now we got little. Little. Now the index is 6. We got little, right? I equal to 6. So what is the I6 values? Little. Now it will be replaced with that. Again, nothing will happen. So it will go to the longest word, which is little. So we are returning that. You got it right. That is how we'll get little. You got it, guys. So that is how we will get little.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So there are few more non-repeating characters. Simple. So basically, previously we did a coding. You got it right. We do count of the characters. So that count of the characters will get the first element and will return that. First non-repeating character means previously we did it. You already know. I will just control Z and will let's see. Eliminate duplicates. Before this one also I will do. So here, so we did characters count, right? We'll get the first non-repeating character. First non-repeating character means I want to get which is the current one. So first non-repeating character means B because B occurred first. Before that A occurred, but A is 5 times, right? So we will get the first non-repeating character with the help of B. You got it right. So that is how we'll get. So we will use the same code base to get the count of characters, but for count of characters we'll get the first value which is 1. You got it right. So now let's see. So we want to iterate. So we'll see. So we'll say keys. So this one we will get object dot keys because this is key value page, right? Object. We'll get object dot keys of count chars. We'll get keys. You got it right. So now we will check that for let I equal to 0, I less than keys dot length I plus plus. Whenever first will come, first non-repeating character will come means whenever the first count chars of key keys of I. That's it, right? Because if it is keys array means every time we'll get the key by index equal to 1. Then that will be the non-repeating character. Let non-repeat character equal to empty as of now. So we'll put that non-repeating character as keys of I. So wherever it is I, if it is the first one, we'll get first. If it is second, we'll get B like that. So now we'll break from here. We'll break the loop from because we already got now first non-repeating character. So we'll make it as first non-repeating as non-repeating. So we'll get B. We got it right. We'll get the key set. So object dot keys, we'll get that. So again, this one also, I will just copy paste here. And I will make you debug so that you can easily understand. See here, whenever it comes to here, we'll see. So now what is the count of character? These many count of character. First, what is the first non-repeating character here? P, right? You already know. We want to get that. So first we already got the keys. First one is A, next one is B. First one is A. A is not a non-repeating character. So first you just execute it in the console. What you will get 5. Count of key. Key of I means what? Key of I means I is index first one 0, right? A. Count characters of A is 5, right? So this will fail. Next B will come, right? You just copy paste this in the console directly so that it will get the pre-result. This is one. Means what is the count of key of I? This one. What is the keys of I? Basically, this is B. What is the count chars of B? You got one, right? So that is what keys of I is B. Count chars of B is 1. So that is what this one equal to comparison. That is true. So then that will go inside. Now we'll get the first non-repeating character and you can break that loop. So that will print it. You got it right? Have you understand everyone? So this is how you'll get the first non-repeating character. So what I suggest is you just practice all this. So on Monday, I will explain remaining coding on some patterns, on some arrays, sorting an array, remove duplicates from an array, right? Average of an array, find maximum and minimum element of an array, find the second largest element of an array. You got it right? So that I will explain you. And also pattern programs. I might open material and show you. Just download this coding material. Just go through this. I might be reversing a string, check palindrome, everything I given this, check vowels, capitalize words, check anagrams, find longest word, remove duplicates, count characters, title case, remove, check subsequence, first non-repeating character. I might code in a different style also sometimes. Count chars. So sum of an elements of an array. So all this you just see here. I put JS field link also for some of the things. So you can just open it and you can run it. So that is how you just need to practice each and everything. Even patterns also I already given. This will also I will explain you on Monday, means day after tomorrow. But you just practice this, all those so that you can get some clear picture on this. So that you are aware. So Monday, please be ready. Practice all this coding and be ready for live coding so that I will ask randomly some 50% of the people to write the code on board. That's it. So that is the next session. So I will ask 50% of the strength to write in live. You got it right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So what I told Sritu now on Monday, what I told Sritu, Sweta, what I told on Monday, what need to be happen. So on Monday, I'll just stop the recording. Sritu, tell me, you are telling something.